Hi, my name is Lisa Counts, and I'm the owner of the chopping block. Today, I'm going to teach you how to slice and dice your onions. When I'm going to cut my onion in half, I always want to make sure I'm cutting it through the root end. That way, I am following the lines of the onion. In order to make my onion stable, I'm going to cut a section off this top end. So using my chef knife, I'm pushing down and forward to create a flat, stable surface that I can then cut through the root right in half, like so. When we are going to slice our onion, we want separation of the layers. So I want to remove the root end. It's always going to be easier to peel your onion when it is already in half than trying to peel it when it's still in its whole form. So now I am going to follow the radial lines of this onion in order to slice or julienne my onion. I like to follow the lines rather than cut against the lines because then I'll have nice even layers instead of this rainbow shape like that. So I start with my knife on an angle down to my cutting board. And with each slice down and forward, I'm turning my knife so when I am halfway, I am at 90 degrees, straight up and down. Once one half is sliced, I can flip the onion so I have a place to have my thumb and my fingers, and I'm going to follow those same lines and those slices, moving my knife. So by the time I'm halfway through, I can hold it in between my fingers and I can cut this in half evenly and safely. And this is our julienne or sliced onion. Now to dice our onion, we want to leave the root end on. It really holds everything all together. I'm going to peel my top layer off, making sure to remove any slick membranes. Now I'm going to follow those same radial lines, but this time I'm not going to go through the root end. Just using the tip of my knife, I'm going to cut down towards my cutting board on an angle, making my slices as thick or as thin as I want my dice to be. Following those radial lines, I cut all the way around, but not through. And now it's all held together that all I need to do is cut across those lines in order to make a dice that is even, like so. And that is how we slice and dice our onions.